Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you about how switch case works. So let's begin. So I'll declare an integer a is equal to 0 for some time. So I will write switch as a case 1. So if the case is 1, in case the a is 1, I want to print a is 1. Okay, and case 2, I will I will type out a is 2. So if you see integer a is 0, I will break. So let's check what does it show. I will input 1 first. So let's compile it. I'll save it then compile it. A is 1. So here is the switch. I will write the A is 2, save it, and then compile it again. Then it is showing A is 2. Let's try with some big number like 100. So I will type here case 100. Out A is 100. So let's save it, compile it, and then it is showing A is 100. This is how switch case works. I request you to please subscribe the channel, and we will see you in next video in the for loop. Until then, bye bye, goodbye, tata.